They don't start again for this country. Miyetti Allah, they don't start again. They use tie to the tell Samuel Ortom. He talk say after he finish in tenure as the governor, talk say they go arrest him. On top wetin, on top say he say the truth for live interview. On top say he get concern about wetin dey happen to him own citizen. Miyetti Allah come dey talk say dem go make sure say they arrest am after he finish in tenure as a governor. Imagine Miyetti Allah dey one side na Benue State. Na this man dey govern o. I no come know wetin concern Miyetti Allah and the Benue State governor together. They talk say he make one statement about Fulani, anti-Fulani, and talk say they no fit allow such a thing. But the main thing where this man talk about, where Samuel Ortom talk about, they no reason now. The only thing they reason are the anti-Fulani where we say this man talk about. They talk say and for that issue they must arrest him. The killings where they happen for their side, this Miyetti Allah, they don't talk about it at all. They do as if say they close their eyes. And someone come out, come talk, come point out some issues where they affect everybody for this country. You know they talk say you go arrest them. If not be say he be present governor, I know say by now they go not arrest him. With wetin he talk, I know say they go not arrest him by now. If not be say he be present governor, I know say that one go happen. But I want to say he be governor, they don't fit touch him because they talk say they go arrest him after he finish tenure. So which means say they issue am threats and nothing they happen. No one fit question those Miyetti Allah over wetin they talk. No one fit question them. Sheikh Gumi, they talk many things about this bandit stuff. Nobody question him. Nobody fit question. Nobody question him for this country. So like this, we go to move on for this country. We say we day. Imagine that kind of stuff will happen. So Miyetti Allah now don't get upper hand. Pass. No problem for this country. This issue of insecurity that everybody think affects. It affects those people where we say then they not pass. This Miyetti Allah person, they not even arrest a single bandit, a single terrorist for a day. I never hear say Miyetti Allah they are vigilantes, so they arrest a bandit or a terrorist. I never hear that. But people where they speak up, people where we say that they speak up, say you don't tire for everything they have for this country, you talk say you want arrest them. Imagine this kind of thing. So which means say after Samuel Ortom finishing tenure, you go kidnap him. That problem. And this country now every day, the government say for this country now, we don't get too love, we don't get two people who say that they govern us for this country. Imagine. I know say if an ordinary person talk this kind of thing, we Miyetti Allah talk, by now they go to use DSS to find out what thing they happen. And this Miyetti Allah, they don't forget say after this present government don't leave, they don't get power again for this country. They don't forget. So then they issue threats to governor where they dare talk say they will arrest him after he finishing tenure. On top of that statement we say he make. So which means say they expect the governor where in people they die 247, make him they laugh with them, make him they use hand to rob those people where they killing people for this country. For this country now, we don't like truth again for this country. The only thing we say we like for this country is a lie. Make everybody just give ourselves like we they push blame to each other for this country. Imagine Samuel Ortom, he talk that big word, that big thing where they pay now. They talk about political stuff. So which means say we don't turn our life. People will say we vote for them. We don't turn our life to politics. To politics. They don't care if we die or if we die alive. They don't care. Imagine, I remember talk say people they die for your own country, for your own state. This thing they happen. Hunger is there everywhere. No good again. You want to talk say Samuel Ortom na small boy in politics. Talk say this na this things. Samuel Ortom still talk say make the president come out say make them do national debates. Till now, Buhari no reply. He no reply at all. He no reply. But you talk say somebody talk bad against the government, sharply. dem go record dem go reply that one. This country wey be say my name na Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.